The Anua NIACINAMIDE 10% plus TXA 4% Dark Spot Correcting Serum is a powerful solution for anyone looking to reduce the appearance of dark spots and achieve an even skin tone. In this video, we'll be sharing its benefits, how to use it properly, and some important do's and don'ts. The Dark Spot Correcting Serum is specifically formulated to target dark spots and hyperpigmentation. With high concentrations of niacinamide, tranexamic acid, and alpha-arbutin, this serum works to visibly brighten and even out your skin tone. It's suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Here are the key ingredients in the serum. The first ingredient is 10% niacinamide, also known as vitamin B3. Niacinamide is a water-soluble vitamin with the ability to help visibly fade skin discoloration, improve skin texture, and provide anti-inflammatory benefits. Then we have tranexamic acid 4%, known as TXA, which is a powerful ingredient that helps to reduce hyperpigmentation and prevent new dark spots from forming. Finally, we have alpha-arbutin 2%, known for its skin brightening properties. It helps to reduce the appearance of dark spots and improve skin tone. Some benefits of using the Dark Spot Correcting Serum include, firstly, the ingredients work together to lighten existing dark spots and prevent new ones from forming. The serum helps to even out your skin tone, promoting a more uniform and radiant complexion. Niacinamide provides anti-inflammatory benefits, reducing redness and calming irritated skin. Finally, the serum provides hydration, ensuring the skin remains soft and supple. Let's now jump into how to use the serum into your skincare routine. First, begin by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser and pat it dry. Next, apply your toner, which is optional. Then, take a few drops of the serum onto your fingertips and gently pat it onto your face and neck, focusing on areas with dark spots and uneven skin tone. After applying the serum, follow with your regular moisturizer to lock in the hydration. In the morning, always follow with sunscreen to protect your skin from UV damage. Here are some important do's and don'ts to keep in mind when using the serum. Do a patch test before using it on your face to ensure you're not allergic to any of the ingredients. Do use it twice daily in your morning and evening skincare routines for best results. Don't mix the serum with vitamin C or exfoliating acids. Most niacinamide product formulations don't work well with vitamin C or exfoliating acids. If you use vitamin C or exfoliating acids in your skincare routine, avoid using at the same time as the niacinamide serum. So for example, if you use vitamin C daily, you could use the vitamin C in the morning and the niacinamide serum in the evening. If you use an exfoliating acid serum or toner a few times a week, skip your niacinamide. The niacinamide 10% plus TXA 4% Dark Spot Correcting Serum is an excellent addition to your skincare routine, offering numerous benefits for reducing dark spots, improving skin tone, and enhancing radiance. By incorporating it into your daily routine and following the proper do's and don'ts, you can achieve a more even, youthful, and radiant complexion. If you want to learn more about how to tackle dark spots and achieve an even skin tone, check out these two videos here next.